Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to simplify this given expression 16 power 17 plus 16 power 17 plus 16 power 17 plus once again 16 power 17. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and tweak these terms. 16 power 17 could be written as 16 power 17 times 1, and likewise this next term could be written as times 1. I can multiply times 1 across the board, as you can see in this next step. And now we can see 16 power 17 is in common across the board, as you can see over here. So therefore, let me go ahead and factor out 16 power 17 outside, and inside the parentheses I'm going to write down 1 plus 1 plus 1 and plus 1 once again. And now we can see inside this parentheses 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is going to give us 4. So therefore we can write 16 power 17 times 4. And now 16 could be written as 2 power 4, and likewise 4 could be written as 2 power 2. So therefore I can write 2 power 4 and then whole power 17 times 2 power 2. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents we are going to apply over here. So therefore let's go ahead and write down 2 power 4 times 17 is going to give us 68, and then 2 power 2. And now let's recall the product rule of exponents we are going to apply over here, and we can see our bases are same, so therefore we can add their exponents. So we're going to get 2 power 68 plus 2 is going to give us 2 power 70, and that is our answer. So thus our simplified answer to this given problem turns out to be a 2 power 70. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.